prove that the average kinetic energy per molecule is 3 by 2 kT. This is 3 by 2. Okay, 3 by 2 into kT. Then we know pressure P is equal to 1 by 3 rho Vrms square. Rho means square velocity, and rho is the density. Density is equal to, we know, mass per volume. Then we put this in mass per volume into Vrms square. P is equal to, then mv square rms divided by 3v is equal to p. 3 pv is equal to mv square rms. v square rms is equal to 3pv divided by m. Okay, then we know pv is equal to nRT. Then m into capital N is equal to capital M, m small m into any Avogadro's number is equal to molar mass. Okay, then v square rms is equal to 3 nRT divided by m. Then this is the equation 1. Now Vrms is equal to root 3pv divided by m. Okay, then v square rms is equal to 3 nRT by m. Then we find the value of n. N is equal to capital M divided by molar mass is equal to mass of the gas divided by mass of the Avogadro's number of gas molecule. Avogadro's number of gas molecule. Then m into n divided by m into Na is equal to mm will be cancelled, then n by Avogadro's number, that is the n. Okay, then we put this value in equation 1. V square rms is equal to 3 into n by Na into RT divided by m into Na. M into n, that is m, capital M. Here is the capital M. Then 3n RT divided by m into n into Na. Then n will be cancelled. Then 3RT m into Na, m0. V square rms is equal to this. Then Vrms is equal to square root of 3RT divided by m0. This is not required. Okay, then average, we know K into Na is equal to R. Then we put this value in this. Then average kinetic energy. Okay, average kinetic energy per molecule is equal to half m v square rms is equal to half into m into 3 r, you know, r is equal to k into Avogadro's number, constant or proportionality, into na into t divided by m into na. Na will be cancelled, will be cancelled. Then 3 by 2 into kT. Then hence proved average kinetic energy per molecule is equal to 3 by 2 kT. P is equal to pressure, rho is equal to density, V is equal to volume, T is equal to temperature. Thank you.